Hello, we got a Transformers review today. This is one I got from AliExpress. It's a knockoff, of course, but it is a knockoff of Studio Series Bumblebee movie concept Megatron. Here he is in his box art. He looks very Siege Megatron. It says high-end boutique model. He's the Dauntless Hunter is the knockoff name they gave him. I'm not sure what company made him, but here he is in the back of the box. He has robot mode, jet mode, tank mode. I think that jet mode's ugly. Here's his instructions. It says silver bullet part 1. I don't know what that means. I think my wife had a silver bullet at one time, but I think the motor burned out or something. But here are the instructions. I had to go on YouTube to even find out how to transform him because the instructions were no help. But they're huge. If I could do this, I'm doing this one-handed, holding the phone in the other hand. But here he is, how to turn him into tank mode continued, and then you open it up, and there's that ugly jet mode, which I didn't transform him into because it's ugly. But yeah, I mean, he's a solid figure. Here he is in robot mode. That chest piece is metal. It's like die cast or something. And I think the biceps are metal too. I'm not too sure, but I mean, overall great figure. I mean, he looks just like the Hasbro version. The red accents are great. The gray, the silver, the black. His face looks like G1 Megatron mixed with like a little bit of movie, the Bumblebee movie aesthetics. So, I mean, he was great. I had to get him knockoff because my Walmart doesn't stock. I mean, I think we still have Junk Heap, Coronation Starscream, and what's that? Slug. What is that? Anyway, here he is in tank mode. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. This is after I looked over a YouTube video to see how to transform him. Tank mode looks pretty solid. I like that. Better than jet mode. I didn't even bother changing him to jet mode. It's just ugly, but you could turn the turret of the tank around. He can point it up, point it down, but it's a really solid figure. I suggest getting it.